They were even saying.
Oh. I put ice in it, by the way. I didn't show that. But I put ice in it. Oh, that's good lighting. Look at my eyes. They look so green. I love that. Hey, hi, what's up? It's me. This is gonna be a little morning routine for, I guess, 2021, even though this year's already kind of been written off, but whatever, we're gonna do it up anyways. I'm not awake yet. So don't mind my messy kitchen. Oh my god, I have to clean that today, please. I'm off from work today, so a lot of things are happening. But yeah, this is my morning routine. The first thing I do is wake up, have a cup of water, and make a coffee. So it's very important to hydrate first thing in the morning. So drink your water, kids. So next, I'm just gonna sit my ass on the couch, drink my coffee. Don't mind my baby hairs. Drink my coffee and my water, go on my laptop. We're currently in the process of redoing the living room, so I need to look for a gold mirror and a table. Oh, let me show you the vibe. Okay, so we have these green velvet chairs, and we're getting rid of this table, so I need to find a table to go here. And then I need to find a mirror to go here. You see? You see? Okay. So basically, the vibe I want is like that kind of vintage velvet green, gold, black vibe. We have a gray couch because my mom wouldn't let me get a black leather one, but I also feel like that's a good thing that she didn't let me get a black leather one, because then my living room would literally be the Slytherin common room, which my friend pointed out to me and I didn't even realize until she said it. But it's fine. I like it. It's breakfast time. Except it's like 11:40, so I'm just gonna have yogurt and granola to tide me over for like an hour or two until lunch, because I honestly really hate eating breakfast. I don't know about anybody else, but like I just really hate eating breakfast. So I'm just gonna have a little something, tide me over, and then have lunch. So I'm just, it's not exciting, but I'll show it. This is the yogurt that I'm using. This isn't the one that I really like. This isn't the one that I really like, but it's just the one that was on sale. So it'll do.
Good deal.
It's skincare time. So I got a new face wash. I don't know if I've showed this. I don't think I have. But I use this one now. Thanks, Hiram. So I'm just gonna wash my face. And I'll show you what's up. Ew. Ow! Oh my god, I just broke my... Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do some makeup because I'm gonna go take Instagram pictures. So I want to look a little bit decent because thought I'd film it a little bit. It's not anything crazy. We're just gonna do a little makeup look. So I'm using my Milk Hydro Grip primer. I love this shit so much. This is like my new favorite primer. It makes your foundation go on so nicely. It's great. So I don't have brow products still, so I have to use eyeshadow. I also decided that this is not going to be a morning routine anymore. It's just gonna be a vlog because I don't have a fucking morning routine, okay? Let's just put it out there. I don't have a morning routine. I wake up, I cry a little bit, and then I make coffee, drink some water, and that's that. That's my morning. So we're not doing a morning routine. We're just gonna do a vlog. I'm like, what the fuck just happened to my eyebrow? Something happened along the way that I don't know. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl thing. Whatever the fuck it's called. Foundation. Skin Milk. Because I just want a light, cute little makeup look today. Even though this shit is so light. Like, color-wise. I don't know what I was doing picking out the color. Okay? I don't know. Then we're gonna do a little bit of concealer with the Tarte Shape Tape. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do when I run out of this stuff. Because I don't really want to order it online and pay all those fees. So, you know, we might just, oh, fuck. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. So, wish me luck. God. Okay. Gonna take a little brush. Then I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with, yeah. And we're gonna bronze and bring some life back to me because I absolutely look like I am deceased. So, yeah. Now it's blush time. How cute. I love my dog. Holy fuck. Oh no. Oh no. I did too much. Whatever. I'll just look sun-kissed. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Make Money and Hustler Baby highlighter just for some nice glow. I fucking love this highlighter. I stopped using it for a bit because I was like, it's too shiny. Bitch, huh? I'm the main character. Of course I need to look shiny and glowing. We're gonna do some shadow eyeliner because I really like it. I really like the look. With Rustic from the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia. Except I can't talk while I'm doing this, so just enjoy. It's really dangerous when I think I look good. Just saying. Okay, so I'm in my dad's car. Oh, we're going. LOL, I probably shouldn't have gone then, but I did, so it's fine. I'm driving to go take Instagram pictures right now. If you want to go follow my Instagram, right here. I'm really stressed out. It's really busy out. Like, why are there so many people out? Okay, so I'm in the parking garage and it's fucking busier than I thought it was gonna be. So, I'm kind of like in a good-ish area. I honestly might just fucking take some pictures with people watching me because there's literally a person sitting in their car watching me right now. This is so uncomfortable. Like, they're sitting in their car. I want to get out of the car and take pictures, but they're sitting in their car. What do I do? Okay, so I went into Whole Foods. And I went into the one that I used to work at. And it's kind of awkward. I saw a couple people that I used to work with. And mind you, they probably didn't recognize me. One, because I was wearing a mask. I was wearing a mask. I swear I have it here. I just took it off. And two, I had blonde hair when I was working there. But I'm just paranoid. And I saw them and I was like, "Nyeh." So there was a couple things that I meant to buy that I didn't because I got stressed out. Because I thought people were going to start talking to me. Anyways, I'll do a little haul. Whole Foods haul. I love Whole Foods. I didn't even spend that much money. Like, it's a little bit... I'm just trying to justify why I went there. I fucking love Whole Foods. Okay, so first, I got some kale. Because I couldn't find kale anywhere at Loblaws. So I was like, I know Whole Foods will have kale. Then, I got some green tea. This was purely because I'm out of green tea. Green tea, you don't have to buy at Whole Foods. It's fine. Then I got almond butter. Don't ask me why, but I want almond butter. I love almond butter so much. I like it better than peanut butter. And I was like, I'm gonna buy it. It was fucking expensive, but I bought it. That's the most expensive thing that I bought, was the almond butter. Then I got some veggie burgers. Because I am making it my goal this year to stop eating so much meat. I have a hair. Then I got 2 kombuchas because they were on sale and I love this kombucha. And then I got a fun little booster shot, which I'm going to take right now. This is a booster shot from Loop. It's ginger, pear, and lemon. I actually love ginger shots. Like, I like taking just ginger shots, like plain ginger juice, I guess. I don't know. I love them, so this is going to be super fun for me. Oh, it smells so good because of the pear. Yum. That was honestly so good. Ooh! Okay, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Bye. Okay. So I'm gonna make lunch. Watch me. I'm gonna make a turkey sandwich. Oh, I was gonna toast the bread. Should I toast the bread? I should toast the bread. I got this sweater from Amazon. Oh, I showed me unboxing it. Haha. I don't know what to do while my bread is toasting. I want to take this turtleneck off. Actually, I'm gonna go do that while my bread is toasting. I'll be back. I'm gonna change. We're back. I'm wearing this Gymshark camo sports bra, leggings, sweater. I really only get dressed to go take Instagram pictures and then I put back on this. So I'm using turkey, 3 slices of it. I guess that's a good amount. God. Taking arugula. I fucking love arugula. Like, I will eat arugula with everything. I prefer it over every single other type of green. We're gonna do some red onion. I love onion. Like, honestly, probably too much. But I love onion. So then I put the cheese on. Just wherever. My slices of cheese. Oh my god, I just put so much. Whoopsie. Whatever. Insert the TikTok sound add a little bit of spice.